Say cool, dude. Yeah. And get you. Lexia, put your glasses on. Say what's up. Do the tilt. Show your glasses. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi everyone back home.
Hi everyone back home. Traffic. I want to see Mom. You get a picture of me?
Riley! Go. Oh! Hi, sexy man.
I want to see all the pictures. Picture. Put my sunglasses on.
Everyone back home's gonna think you're cute. Trevor!
I want to see my picture.
Say hi! Cheese? Say cool, man!
Cool, man.
Say I love you!
Love you.
Love you too!
I want to see the picture. I want to see the picture that you took of me.